Are you looking for an epic surf adventure with empty lineups and tropical vibes? Welcome to the Solomon Islands. Off the grid with no Wi-Fi, no phone signal, but heaps of empty waves, tropical vibes, palm trees and good times. The last week in the Solomon Islands has been nothing short of epic. So if you're looking to get further off the beaten track, score some awesome surf, here's what we got up to. Seriously guys, this place is absolutely next level. So if you're keen to plan your perfect Solomon Islands trip, check out the link in the description for my full guide. Come out here and enjoy some empty perfection. That's it for this week guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.